3, 2, 1.
What's up mga kalakwatya? It's me again, Jam Irving. For tonight's vlog, we're going to celebrate the first year anniversary of Mud RC Group. And together with that, we're going to celebrate also our Unity Ride. We're doing this every month, but the previous month, we don't do it to give way and respect to the Ramadan season. Now, we're waiting for other scooter groups from different teams, and I hope you like this video. In a short while, they will come soon. Time check is 7:43 p.m. Yeah. Alright? What's up mga kalakwatya? Andito na ang ating early birds. Yeah, what's up Benjamin? You made it! Hello! Hi! Hello! What's up mga kalakwatya? Empes. Asan kaya si Markang Bungo? Good evening. Good evening. Maligayang pagdating. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening po. Good evening. Good evening. Thanks for coming. Madami pa sila. This way, this way, this way. Hi, good evening. This is the first team, Escoteros.
Escoteros, lang sa kalam.
Yes, sir. Exad. Good evening. Ah, still, Escoteros. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. What's up mga kalakwatya? Good evening po. Maligayang pagdating.
Good evening po.
Scooteros pa rin po yun. Good evening. Maligayang pagdating. Hi, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Ayan pa, patuloy-tuloy pa rin po sila. Good evening.
Good evening.
That is Chairman Bong of TPLS, now United TPLS. Good evening. Good evening, madam. Mad RC na pala to. Paps, dun tayo, Paps. Good evening. Good evening po. Magandang gabi po. Good evening. Good evening, madam. Good evening po. Mad RC. Batibot is on the road now. Okay, we have here the early bird for Mad RC. His name is Benjamin.
Black Panther.
Black Panther. Okay, Mr. Black Panther.
Yes.
Tell me something about the group and any message. We're celebrating now the first anniversary of Team Mud RC. Say something.
I like the group. It's educating. You can get new ideas, new friends, and they're cooperative. I like the group.
Okay. What else? That's it?
That's it for now. Maybe
Any shoutouts to your colleague?
right now. Maybe next time. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're riding an electric scooter. Which type? Mini Harley, right?
Riding mini Harley version 9.2.
Okay. Thank you very much. Madam Secretary, ano masasabi mo sa kuponan mo?
Wala akong masasabi. Perfect.
Ano masasabi mo?
Perfect.
Paano nasabing perfect?
In my dreams. Wala.
Ano bang contribution mo dito sa grupo na to?
Marami ha.
Gaya ng,
Motor. Kusinera. Oh.
ano pa? Katiwaldas?
Oo, katiwal na. Lahat nandito na.
Okay, seryoso ta. Anong message mo sa Team Mad RC?
Happy first year anniversary. Then, good luck. Sana tuloy-tuloy at hindi mabuwag yung inyong samahan.
Bakit inyo? Kasama ka dun eh.
Oh, kasama pala ako doon, sorry.
Ah,
Ayun, continue lang. Enjoy the rides. But laging safe ang iisipin natin. Tapos, happy anniversary again.
okay. Okay, good evening guys. We have now Chairman Jeff representing Exad. Okay, CM.
Good evening po mga ka-scooters. Welcome po ulit sa isang unity ride hosted by Mad RC. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga dumalo, pati yung mga hindi po nakadalo. Ano po, yung diwa nyo na sa amin pa rin. At saka tingnan nyo, ang dami-dami pa rin. Hanggang ngayon nakakatuwa. Iisa pa rin lang talaga ang ating mga hobby. Kaya po, thank you and congratulations po Mad RC.
At ito na po sila nagdadatingan na isa-isa. Si Pops Ian.
Idol, good evening.
Good evening. Sir, good evening.
Good evening.
Na-traffic kayo ah. Mukhang na-traffic kayo lahat ah. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Parang nandun na sila. Eto na, nagdadatingan na mga Team Mad RC. Pinuno. Si Totski. Of course.
For a list of all supported devices,
Good evening.
visit our site at
Up! Ay, wah. Binusinahan mo pa ako. Good evening, Paps. Good evening, Paps. So we're going to give away this major prize for tonight for those who subscribe on my channel and post a picture together with my sticker. So in advance, congratulations. Who among you guys? Out of 100, this is only the selected 8 persons who supported me. Thank you very much. I hope you will enjoy your prize.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid.
Broke for 27 years, I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit. You know I ain't never ate. Been seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake. That's how I know you fake.